Hello guys, here welcome to Form Follows function. As in the last video I shared the car racing tutorial which I made from the SketchUp and render it on Lumion. So here I share how I create this movie step by step. If you guys want to know then continue watching this video, and before we start guys, thank you for support on Instagram as your lovely messages keep us motivating for posting such amazing content. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first download the models in the SketchUp from the 3D warehouse. What we needed. First, I want a road, a racing track. I got it. Now I will change the material, or I want a big track, so I will push and pull to change the size according to me. It's time to move this model into the Lumion. To do so, go to File, Export, then click on 3D Models and save the .dae file. After that, import this DAE file into the Lumion. Importing. Now I will create the site as I want in my movie. Guys, now I am speeding up my video speed. I want the sand mountains on the side of the track. I added the trees by the mask placement. To change the material, or I want the wet road which has some water on it, and change the reflections and the glossiness. Don't forget to save the model of the Lumion, and now it's time to get the car model. Again open the SketchUp and download the car model. I want the Lamborghini, so I downloaded it. Again do the same, export this car as a 3D model and save it. Then open the Lumion and import this car into site. I don't want the white color, so I will change it to the orange color and change the glass reflections and the glossiness too.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop.
So everything done perfectly. Now need some cool weather.
It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you?
After that, it's time to take some shots and start creating the movie. In some effects like sun and the reflections so that it will give the better scene. Shot done, and here created the second scene. After getting all the camera angles, and same in this way, I import the second car and edit that to Lumion. Changes the car color and adding reflection to the glass or glossiness to the materials, which makes it perfect. Time to create the movie and run the cars. To the objects, you have to choose the advanced move effect while creating a movie. See in the timeline, I mark the first point when the car is too far in camera, and on the second point I edit the car position changed. So this way I added the more camera angle and created the movie. Now after getting all the scenes, then I join them in Adobe Premiere Pro and gives the slow motion where it's required and edit the video. This is how it's completed, and if you want to see the video, here the link is available in the description. If you like the tutorial guys, please give it thumbs up and do subscribe us. Hope you enjoys it.